guys, it's Vishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple and a quick DIY cloth face mask tutorial. So here, as you see, the fabric that I'm going to use is a cotton fabric, and this thing that I'm showing you is from the CDC that cotton fabrics are good and you can wear this publicly. Before getting started with the video, I just want to tell you one thing, that if you are still worried to wear such masks in public, then go to the website of CDC. There they are suggesting to wear cloth coverings in public. So I think that it should be helpful. If you are not still okay with it, then you can use your surgical mask inside, and from upper side you can use these clothes masks. So as you have already seen that I have double folded a cotton fabric, and on the top of it I have placed one mask, which is a disposable mask, and I'm just measuring. So the measurement is very simple. All you need to do is just place that disposable mask over the fabric and mark all the sides. And here, as you have seen, that I have kept some extra fabric. Now we will cut this. So here you have two pieces of fabric, so I'm going to cut another piece. Just place the same measurement over this fabric and cut it down. These all three pieces are cotton fabric, so if you don't want another layer, that is okay, but I wanted my mask to be extra layered, so I cut another piece. So now, as you have seen, that this curve shape that I'm sewing, I hand sewed it, and it will look something like this. So I'll open it up for you and show you. This is how it's going to look. So this is the one side of the mask. Same way we need to sew the other piece. So this is the piece that we are going to sew. This is the curve, and after sewing, this is how it will look. Now place both the fabrics like this, so that the right side face the right side. Here, now you have to sew the three sides of this mask, and keep in mind that do not sew the fourth side, because we have to keep it open just to flip the fabric. So once you are done with sewing the one side of the mask, we need to just take a break and cut the elastic. So the 6 inches of measurement for elastic band. So we have these two pieces for elastic band. Cut it down, and then we need to place this elastic between these two fabrics and then sew it. Now hand sew all the three sides of the mask. Here we need to flip the fabric right side, so this is how we will flip it. So after flipping, just fold that extra fabric inside and attach the elastic here. Here, complete the mask by sewing this opening and the mask will be ready. So this is how this cloth face mask going to look. This is a washable mask. As we are using a cotton fabric, you can use it, then wash it in the hot water, and we can reuse it. There must be some people who are still worried to use cloth face masks. So for your information, just want to tell you that CDC's website, they are now suggesting to wear cloth coverings around public. So here is a screenshot. You can still use these clothes face masks over the surgical mask, and then it will be more protective. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like the video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And you guys can follow me on my other social media accounts also. So at the end of the video, I have shared the names of my accounts. I hope you enjoyed this DIY and thank you for watching.